Like terms continued. In this lesson, we're going to see part 2 and 3 to finish or conclude the lesson on like terms. Let's go. Part 2. Like terms are terms which contain variables and numbers which is known as alphanumeric format. Symbols and numbers through alphabets, combination, which can also be added or subtracted to get a single term value. In other words, you can add them to still get a single term value. Examples: x is a single term. 7x is a single term, but is made up of a number and a variable. So it's alphanumeric, alphabet and number. Negative 3x is also a term made up of a number, constant number, and a variable. So they are like terms. What is common here? X is common in the 3 terms. Next, theta, which is a symbol usually meant to represent angles. 2 theta, 7 theta are all like terms because theta is common. So you can add them and get a single term value. X theta, 2x theta, 5x theta are also like terms because you can add them to get a single term value. Now, part 3. Part 3. Like terms are terms which contain same type of variables with the same degree of exponents. Yes. Example: x squared is x is a variable but is raised to the power of 2. Here, x is also a variable raised to the power of 2 but with a constant number as the coefficient. So, same thing here, 8x squared. They are all like terms because they have x squared in common. So, the coefficients you can add, this is 1x squared, 3x squared, and 8x squared. You can add the 1, 3, and 8 and still get a single term value. Similarly, b squared is a variable raised to the power of 2, negative 5b squared, and 13b squared. They still have b squared in common. So they are all like terms. Okay, guys, here comes the end of the second and third part of like terms. Now, that is not to say that that's everything about like terms. No, because we're going to be coming across them in different ways along the lessons, different lessons. Yes, and we're going to be using them accordingly. All right. Next thing we're going to talk about will be unlike terms in the next or in another video. Meanwhile, like I always say, don't forget, safety first. You can also follow my link in case you need one-on-one, and we'll go from there. Thank you.